Today we're going to be learning about ocean waves and how they can produce electricity. So, how are ocean waves used to produce electricity? We're going to be finding out the answer to this question. So, what we use to produce electricity by waves are wave energy converters. These are different kinds of devices that convert kinetic and potential energy by the movement of ocean waves. This can produce mechanical or electrical energy. Most times we see electrical energy being produced, so like lighting and other things put into houses or businesses around these devices. This can be near or off shoreline. Here are a few of examples of wave energy converters. We're going to focus on attenuators specifically. So all of these produce waves or wave energy, and these are called wave energy converters. Whether they're submerged underwater or above water, somehow they are producing energy that converts into electrical. So for my demonstration, I'm going to be using a hand cranking generator to produce electricity. These can convert into energy, and when I use my hand, you will see this will be acting as the waves. So I will go into that. So right here I have my hand cranking generator and my light circuit. And you see as how when I crank this, light is being produced. My hand is acting as the waves, the motion, what's cranking this, what's creating the energy. Now we're going to focus on that specific wave energy converter, the attenuating kind. What is this? It's a device which floats parallel to the ocean wave direction and then floats on top of water surface. This captures energy from whenever the waves rise and fall. So wave energy is collected as this device rises on top of the wave and falls on the wave. Specifically, the attenuating wave energy converters, they have many different products out there, but I chose this specific one, and it is called the Waveline Magnet. It kind of looks like a magic carpet, if you want to say. This is a wave energy converter, specifically attenuating one. This generates waves into electricity from land nearby, and we'll get to learn a little more about it and who created it, why they created it, and more information. Here's a above view and a side view. Who created this? Alex Zakios at Sea Wave Energy Limited, also known as Swell, created this to compete with fossil fuels. This also is a power tool that's also low cost, and it's cost effective for buyers and producers. It's trying to make other ways to produce energy and electricity than what we have now by using our natural resources. So it's a win-win. What is this made out of? Recycled plastics is the number one. So they've collected recycled plastics and melt this down into the Waveline magnet. So there's no waste of production. Also, the metals that connect these magnets to stay intact, and they have not came out with a final product. They have prototypes as of right now, so there's not more information onto what they're actually using, but this website linked below is where I found most of my information, and some throughout this slide. The technology and production. This spine, there's 4 of these that you can see that are used to produce this: the spine, the platform, and the levelers. Also the power takeoff. So this is what puts this together and produces this product to convert it into electricity. It's also low cost of manufacture and low mass, low maintenance. Can be easily repaired, therefore it doesn't take much effort, and if it does, they know what they're doing. It doesn't take a lot of time, so this allows mass production once these are on the market. So my data, why don't we see these in the United States or nearby Gulf of Mexico compared to other countries that this may be normal for them? Why is that? So according to the data on oceanweather.com, we see over here to our left the Gulf of Mexico. This was on November 27th, so pretty recently. This is the color line saying that 0 foot is the darkest of blue, and the highest over here would be 40. So we see over here it gets up to around 0 to about 10 feet of wave footage. So that's not too much. That's probably why we don't see them here. It would be a waste of their money. There wouldn't be a lot of energy collected, and other products would be better. Over here where the waveline magnet is being tested in the UK and other countries around this, the Mediterranean Sea, 0 to 25 foot. That's what we see over here to the right. Look at this. I mean, it's getting up here into 25 feet of water, or waves. So this is why these are being placed in these specific areas, because the answer to the question is, as you can tell in this data, the energy converted is most likely seen in the Middle East and United Kingdom due to significantly higher footage of waves. So this makes sense. They are getting more out of their product. More energy is being produced in these areas. So why come to the South or Gulf of Mexico to do this testings when they have that where they live? So today we talked about wave energy converters in general, specifically the attenuating energy converter, and then the waveline magnet. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for listening. Give this video a like. Thank you.